Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and in today's video, we're going to show you how to give someone access to a Google Ads account. We are here on the dashboard right now of one of my Google Ads accounts, and in order to grant somebody access, we need to navigate over to the left-hand menu bar until we see the admin section. Now, from here, we want to navigate over to the access and security section and click on it. This is now going to take us through to who has got access to the ads account right now. And at the moment, it is just me. In order to add somebody else, we need to do two things. Firstly, we need to navigate to the security section. We need to ensure the person who is going to get access is one of the allowed domains. So if their domain is different from gmail.com, we want to add in a new domain and make it an allowed domain so that we are able to grant access to this particular ads account. Once that has been done, we can now go over to the users section and we can click on the blue add button. Now we can see that there are many different accesses we can grant somebody. Let's say in this example, we just want that person to have full control over the ad account. That option has been selected, and we now want to enter in the person's email address. Once that has been done, we want to scroll down to the send invitation button and click on it. Once we have done a confirmation that it is indeed us, we can now click on the send invitation button successfully, and you will see up at the top that the person who you have invited has now got an invitation that has been sent and is just pending their approval. And that's how easy it is to provide someone access to a Google Ads account. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button down below and have a fantastic day, everybody.